Does your brand leave the right impression? Hey, I'm Faye, a brand and web designer dedicated to helping business owners grow and thrive on and offline through powerful and impactful branding. And in today's video, I'm sharing 3 quick ways to make your brand unforgettable so you can attract the type of clients that you deserve. So let's dive right in. So first up, having a consistent visual identity is the key to making a great first impression. When your brand's colors, fonts, and logos are all over the place, it can feel chaotic and even unprofessional to potential clients. Instead, choose 2 to 5 brand colors and use them across everything, your website, your socials, your marketing materials, and pick 2 to 3 fonts that align with your brand's personality and stick to those as well. Lastly, make sure you have a logo suite with multiple variations, like a full logo, an icon version, a horizontal, or a vertical version. For example, think about Starbucks or Nike. You immediately recognize them because their visuals are so consistent no matter where you see them. Aim to create that kind of recognition with your own brand. Review your current materials and your visuals and see if they're cohesive, and if they're not, it's time to streamline, and if you need help, feel free to book a free audit with me. Next up, let's talk about your website's navigation. If your website's menu has way too many options or feels very cluttered, it can overwhelm visitors and make it harder for them to find what they need. Instead, aim to organize your menu into 4 to 5 main categories that are clear and easy to understand. For example, instead of listing every service separately, group them under a single services tab. Or if you have a blog, make sure it's easy to find with one simple button like blog or resources or news. Think of your navigation as a roadmap for your clients. If they can't find what they're looking for quickly, they might have to leave your site entirely. Go to your website, click through your menu, ask yourself, is this simple and intuitive? And if not, now is the perfect time to clean it up. Finally, let's talk about calls to actions, or CTAs. Every page on your website should guide visitors toward a specific action, whether that's booking a call, signing up for your newsletter, or checking out your services. The key is to make your CTA clear, direct, and action-oriented. Instead of something general like submit, try book a free consultation or get started today. Action words like these help your audience to understand exactly what it is they should do next, and it makes them more likely to follow through. Keep your CTAs consistent across your website too. Repeating the same message throughout your pages helps build clarity and confidence in what you're offering. Review your website and see if your CTAs are clear and consistent. And if they're not, definitely update them to reflect the specific actions you want your audience to take. Alrighty, there you have it. 3 easy ways to improve your brand's first impression. Keep your visuals consistent, streamline your website navigation, and have clear calls to action. These small changes can make a big impact when it comes to attracting and converting the right clients for your business. If you're ready to take things to the next level, I'd love to help you out. Definitely book a free brand audit with me at constantcreates.com/free/audits, and the link is also in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel for more branding and business tips, and hit the notification bell for more like these every Monday. Also, feel free to share it with someone that you think could use a little bit of a boost in their brand. Maybe they need to update their website and you've been telling them for a while and they just haven't gotten to it. This will be the reminder. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!